Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to remove your phone number from your Busha account. Now, removing your phone number from your Busha account typically involves this step. First of all, you need to access your Busha account through the mobile app or website. Look for settings, profile, account, or a similar section within the app or website. Now, within the setting, locate options related to personal information or security. Find the section where your phone number is displayed. Look for an option to remove phone number, delete phone number, or a similar action. Now, you will likely be asked to confirm the removal of your phone number, but don't panic. Be aware that removing your phone number may impact your account security, as it may limit your ability to recover your account if you forgot your password. Now, after confirming the removal, save the changes. But here are some important things you need to note. It's generally recommended to have at least one reliable contact method associated with your account for security purposes. If you remove your phone number, consider adding another form of contact such as secondary email address. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.